Users with the appropriate permissions can delete NetSuite records as well. Here's a useful example. In this case, a marketing team has uploaded a number of leads from a trade show accidentally. So now they need to delete them. So to delete these records, I've created a template that holds my lead information. I've created a filter that's going to bring in just the leads that I want. And I'm going to go ahead and click on download. This will bring in the same 47 records that we just saw in NetSuite. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on delete. I'm going to choose all rows. And this will go out to NetSuite and it'll delete all 47 of these records in just a few seconds, as opposed to having to go back into NetSuite, right-click, open it in a new tab. And we know the operation is successful because this returns in a dark gray color, indicating that these were deleted. But wait, there's more. This is the cool thing. So let's just say I accidentally deleted these records. I can remove the internal ID, and then I can click on Update and click on Insert Update. And this will go out and it'll recreate these records with brand new internal IDs in NetSuite. So it's really that simple. You saw we deleted 47 records, and then we brought those same 47 records back. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.